Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holly Jolly July video. Today I have a very cute layered card for you. This is my Silly Santa layered card. How fun is little Santa there? There's the fun snowflakes there at the top. I love his little expression. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and of course I included envelope as well. Now, this card does have some intricate parts to it. Just make sure to wait until the end of the video where I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how to get the best cut possible. I'm so excited to show you this really cute card, so let's take a look at our materials and get started. Okay, for today's project we're going to need our CRICUT cutting machine, our standard grip or light grip cutting mat, our scoring wheel or scoring stylus, our weeding tool, brayer, scraper, adhesive and glue, and our cardstock. Now that we know all the materials that we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holly Jolly July 2024. If you're watching this video when the project debuted, you can go to the event page and download the cut file there. If you have a VIP access pass, the download button will be below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has concluded, you can find the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, that gives you full access to the entire event, as well as printable worksheets, commercial licensing, as well as bonus cut files, head to thebeardedhousewife.com/HJJ24. No matter how you get the cut file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon right here and select these score lines. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. And then we need to do the same thing for the card base. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, we can go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is layer the front cover panel. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But really quick, from back to front, you're going to start with the white layer, then yellow, then whatever color you're going to choose for your skin tone, red, the second white layer, black, and then the green frame. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer all this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our fun front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so that it can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. And we'll set that to the side. And now let's go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Let's go ahead and open up that card base, and we can attach the messaging panel to the inside. Close up the card base, and we can attach the front cover panel to the front. And there is our card. So cute. I love little Santa's expression. Let's set that to the side so that can go ahead and dry. Now we can make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Let's take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, place that over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With our thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How adorable is this card? Like I said before, I love Santa's little expression. It's super, super cute. Very, very happy. Really, really fun. Now, I told you I was going to share some tips and tricks on how to get the best cut possible. You always want to make sure that you're using a newer mat. Make sure that your blade is nice and clean. Make sure that you're using the brayer to adhere the cardstock, as well as use a good quality cardstock. I always recommend Recollections, Colorbach, and anything from 12 by 12 cardstock. I hope that you like this card, and I hope that you make it. If you do make this card, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through email or through our Facebook group, I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holly Jolly July video. Bye-bye.